In this video, we're going to show you how to fix keyboard if not working on Windows 11. So the very first thing you need to do to try is to reconnect your wired keyboard. So just unplug the USB behind the PC and then try to reconnect it again and see if your keyboard works or lights up. Another thing you can do is to manage keyboard drivers. So to do this, all you need to do is just click on the Windows Home tab and just type Device Manager, right? And in Device Manager, look for your keyboard. So keyboard is right here. And then right-click on your keyboards and scan for hardware changes, like so. So it's pretty good. Check for update drivers while you're at it. So search for automatic updates. As you can see here, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after that, if it still doesn't work, the last thing you can do is try to restart your PC. By, of course, restarting. Click on restart and see if that works. If not, maybe your keyboard is, well, broken and you need to replace it. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.